What's the meaning of credential? Credential. Credential.
Credential. Credential. The term credential refers to a form of evidence indicating a person's knowledge, skills, and qualifications in a particular field. Credentials may include degrees, certifications, licenses, or other forms of recognition that demonstrate an individual's expertise and abilities. Credentials are often used by employers to evaluate a candidate's suitability for a job position or by professionals to establish credibility with clients or peers. Obtaining appropriate credentials is essential for many careers and can serve as a measure of expertise and quality assurance in various industries.